Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start with a clear limitation and goal for this guide. The Switch Lite is a handheld-only console and cannot output to a TV. It also does not function as a standard Bluetooth controller for phones or PCs. You can, however, use the Lite for local wireless multiplayer with another Switch. Workarounds exist that let you emulate controller input on a PC. Those require a capture device, USB-C cable, and mapping software to translate inputs. To use the Lite as a controller for another Switch, use local wireless play. On the host, switch open the game's wireless play or local play menu and follow the host prompts. Set the host to accept controllers and wait in the connection lobby. On the Switch Lite, open the same game and choose local play or join option. The Lite will search and then register as a player when the host accepts the connection. A workaround uses a capture device and a PC to emulate controller input from the Lite. Dock or feed the host Switch output into a capture device attached to your PC. Run streaming or capture software and an input mapping tool that accepts the Lite inputs. Connect the Switch Lite via USB-C to the PC or host as required by the mapping tool. Configure polling rate, input latency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.